You're all wearing royals.
Here we are at a baseball game near downtown Indianapolis. Dog for little Jack.
Baby's first baseball game.
So American.
Say that again.
You didn't get baby's first baseball game. So American. Where'd Mercy go? Oh.
Oh, darn
She tried to
it.
hold the baby and then she was like, how you doing, Jack? You love the baseball?
Sure, man.
Oh, look at Jack, how much he loves the baseball game.
Ooh. Got Emma, Abby, Jophis, Grandma, Grandpa, and Kimball, and then Jim and Mercy and Rhino are way down there. They got different seats. We're having a grand old time.
Let's go Royals! Woo, we're number one!
Wrong team.
We're on the pennant!
He's still yawning.
That's right, Ian.
Look at the cheeks. Oh, I must touch them.
Oh, we're leaving the game early.
It's cold.
Don't give us any grief, it's really cold out. And I'm in these awesome sweatpants.
Yeah, Joseph didn't pack anything but shorts and t-shirts.
Because I didn't think it'd be crazy
Yeah, 'cause
cold.
it's June. Oh,
Huh?
that scared me.
What? Oh, you thought that kid threw the ball?
Yeah.
So we're leaving at the 7th inning. We're losing pretty poorly.
Even though we're ranked number 1 in our division.
That's true.
You know what I mean?
It's a nice ballpark in downtown Indianapolis. And little Jack is conked. See if we can get a shot of him in there. He's sleeping.
I'm sleeping.
What? I just wanted to get a little video of his chicken.
Well, Houston, we've got one. If we can keep the Earth in the window, fly manually, the coax crosshairs right on its terminator. All I have to know is how long we need to burn the engine. The shorter the better.
Jack, you just love your giraffe, don't ya?
Mama loves giraffes too. It's one of my favorite animals.
I guess that's the best we can do, Glenn. We're out of time.
In order to enter the atmosphere safely, the crew must aim for a car.
These are my buddies that I go to sleep with. We got some fish and a turtle. We can see 'em. This is what I look at as I fall asleep. It's actually quite relaxing. Hello, Mr. Octopus. Good night. Oh, Mr. Starfish. You're looking happy today. This is the look I get from Jack. He just stares right at me. He's just staring right at me as he's eating. No reaction.
It's been so impressive. Chef Bannister and their staff is
Oh yeah, Jack. That's right. Heat up. Do you guys want to meet Jack's best friend? Jack, do you want to introduce the parrot? This is Jack's best friend, the parrot. They just like to hang out and look at each other. Just staring each other down. It's their favorite thing to do. Oh, the parrot moved, Jack. What are you gonna do, Jack? Oh, you and the parrot, just such good friends. You loving your parrot friend? Just love staring at each other. Oh, maybe you're looking at yourself. Is that what you're doing? Are you looking at yourself? Yeah, I think that's what you're doing. I thought you were looking up at your parrot friend. I think you're staring at yourself, talking to yourself. Nice job, Escobar. Look at that. Start over. What are you doing to little Jackie boy, huh?
Making him dance. Just ignore the camera. You focus on mama. 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 We dancing? Yeah. We dancing. Do 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 do. No. Mama. We're dancing. You and I. Forget daddy. Yeah. Just for a minute. Not forever. Yeah. Okay, do we do the short of the Macarena? Wait, I missed something. Let's start over again. Hey, Macarena. You like to dance? Oh yeah, that was like a salsa step. Bailamos.
Let the rhythm take you over, bailamos.
Da 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 da. Something something. Spanish words. I am not a Ricky Martin, but I dance. Da da da. Bailamos.
Bailemos. Let the rhythm take you over, bailemos. Feel the rhythm in your socks, bailemos. Yeah. Let the rhythm take you over, bailemos. Stop it. Stop it. Jack, ask them a question. Does anyone here know the actual lyrics to the song we're singing?
They're probably dirty.
Oh,
If
really?
there's Ricky Martin in there in Spanish, I bet it's, I don't know. I feel like they're probably a little.
Leave the lyrics in the comments section. Good work, Jack. Do another dance for us.
Freestyle. Interesting choice of dance move.
Whoa, baby.
Literally. Baby. 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 Baby.
Say see you later, vlog viewers. See you next week.